This summer, you have to try these mango sago bites. They are just so yum. With crunchy sago, mangoes, and spicy tofu, they are just perfect for the summer. Try it out.
Welcome back to my next episode of Mango Masti series और आज हम बनाने वाले हैं मैंगो सागो बाइट्स। चलिए हम अपनी समर पार्टीज को कुछ एलिवेट करते हैं with this super simple appetizer that is creamy, sweet and tangy. The crunchy sago crackers are served perfect base for the khatta meetha mango salad that features delicious Asian inspired flavors and all the stuff you will find at your home. This salad is a colorful mix of mango, pan fried tofu, cucumbers, onions all brought together with a delicious dressings that is fragrant from lemon zest, fresh garlic, ginger, creamy mayo and slightly spicy from the sriracha and you will sure love it. I have served these on a sago crackers लेकिन आप किसी भी crispy चीज पर इसको सर्व कर सकते हैं. To take this to another level, we top it off with some jalapenos and a generous drizzle of teriyaki sauce. Each bite is bursting with flavors and these are sure to be a hit. So whip up these quick bites and enjoy a taste of summer today. Do visit my blog for more recipes. Enjoy!